As the saying goes, you're better off building a $10 hole for a $1 plant than a $1 hole for a $10 plant. In order for your plants to perform at their absolute best, they need a nutritious, moist, microbiologically rich base to draw from.
Seamungus is a plant and soil conditioner and a health tonic for all plant and soil types. It combines beneficial microbes, fish, seaweed, humic acid and manure to create the perfect growing environment all year round and building resilience to heat, drought, frost, pests and diseases.
Seamungus works with all plant and soil types alongside your regular fertilising routine and should be applied every 2 to 4 weeks year round.
And the ready-to-use hose on is an easy way to apply it. Simply attach the hose, pull out the pin and turn the tap on.
The water will mix with the concentrate at the correct ratio. Keeping the bottle upright, spray the mixture using a sweeping arc motion. When you're finished, just switch off the tap, remove the hose and replace the pins. Seamungus is a powerful biological health tonic with 13 specifically selected microbes that boost growth above and below the ground while helping plants stay strong under stress.
It's perfect for establishing new plants and encouraging strong, healthy root growth, allowing your garden to thrive at its absolute best. For more information, visit the Nutrog website or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.